Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is freedom through faith. The person that's going to save you at this present moment, the person that's going to lead you into your dreams, into your breakthrough is yourself. Don't look to your left, right, family, friend, foe, mentor, spiritual advisor, guru. No, it was a one line call. It was not multiple people on that call. So no one understands what you're doing. No one can help you until you actually create what you're doing. And therefore they'll come and assist after you put in the work. Show up and show out. I calm my thoughts and rise above fear. I free myself from all doubt by entrusting my doubts to God. And I have the faith in God's perfect timing and placement. I trust His will and I find freedom. Fear fears you. You look in the eye and guarantee it runs the other way. Then you're still on your journey to go get your blessings. Don't let anything stop you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.